Hello everyone. We'll be focusing on what a Java programmer or developer is in this video. In this video, we'll be going through what is Java, why use Java, where can Java be used, who is a Java developer, what they need to be good at, their responsibilities, and how you can get better at Java. It's hard for someone who's even remotely interacted with the IT industry to not have heard of Java. So let's ask, what is Java? With a whopping 9 million users and counting, Java, which was initially known as Oak, is something that is taking the world of software development by storm. Java, which was based on C or C++, is a programming language that is class-based, concurrent, and based on the principles of object-oriented programming. With the slew of new features that Java 8 and 9 brought out, the language was significantly changed. Enough so that most multinational corporations like Amazon, Flipkart, and Goldman Sachs use Java for their large-scale projects. But why should someone consider using Java in the first place? Here's why. It's a stable language with a proven track record and established best practices. Backward compatibility. Code that was written in a much earlier version can still be worked on in the latest version. Ability to work in large teams. Static typing, interfaces, and design patterns make it very easy to use Java in engineering teams versus Python, Ruby, and JavaScript. Immediate hiring. There will be more number of jobs in Java. Quality jobs. Large number of jobs requiring to design complex systems use Java. Few areas where Java has been successfully implemented are Android applications, web applications, trading applications, big data technologies, payments, e-commerce, and so much more. So who's a Java developer? This term is interchanged with Java programmer from one organization to the other. A Java developer is a programmer who is specialized in integrating Java in softwares, websites, and business applications. A developer must be able to understand the client's vision about a particular project and devise an appropriate course of action to follow, to determine whether the finished product satisfies the customer's requirements and if any issues exist, to solve them quickly, to deploy the product or code into a live environment. What do you need to make your resume stand out from the several others vying for the same position? This is what gives you the upper hand. Being up to date with new features that each progressive update to Java brings. Did you know that Java 9 brings features like the JShell, Process API, and micro benchmarks, ensuring more versatility and further customization? Being well versed in IntelliJ or Eclipse. Knowledge in these concepts increases productivity dramatically. Also, having skills in the following is a huge plus. Spring Framework. Using its portfolio projects, several of the modern business requirements can be satisfied. Spring Boot helps simplify the bootstrapping and development of a new Spring application. Test-driven development to repeat a very short development cycle to help increase productivity and quality. System Design. Java is frequently used to design large-scale complex systems. The ability to design systems well is very critical for employability as a Java software development engineer, especially for more senior roles. Object-oriented analysis and design. A method where the logical components form the basis on which an application is analyzed and designed. Relational databases, SQL, and object relational mapping. Relational databases. It is a unified set of various sets coordinated as records, tables, and columns. SQL. It is a language that can be used to communicate with a database. Object relational mapping. It is a technique that uses object-oriented programming languages to convert data between systems that are incompatible with each other. Other areas that can be focused on are EJB, which is Enterprise Java Beans, Java-based web services, J2EE framework, and XML, XQuery, and XSL. So what does a Java developer do? Assist in activities that involve the software and architecture, design, implement, and maintain the many phases of a Java application, analyze the software, perform programming, testing, and debugging, determine application issues in regards with production and otherwise, develop, test, and maintain the software, recommend changes in the already established Java application process, develop code for applications. Lack the required skills? Don't worry, we got you covered. With an emphasis on everything about Java, the courses Core Java Training and Advanced Java Training at Simplilearn.com is a great starting point for students who have some understanding of the core Java concepts or for professionals who seek to gain more exposure and understanding into the world of Java. We help students and professionals understand concepts such as scope of variables, operators, arrays, loops, methods, constructors, Spring frameworks, Hibernate, and so on. The course also helps in gaining hands-on experience in JDBC and JUnit framework, helping you get the upper hand in a world of competition.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.